Hi, my name is Will. I'm one of the part-time interpreters here at Historic Brattonsville. Today we're going to be learning some of the ways that they would have done woodworking in the 19th century. Most of these tools have not changed over the years, and so a lot of these tools you'll still find today in some of your rustic hand tool wood shops. This is a chisel. Chisels are used to get pieces off of wood. So right now I'm working on a spatula here, and as you can see, I can just kind of put a little pressure on, and I'm just taking off pieces of wood as I'm going. Eventually this will carve out and look like a spatula is supposed to. This here is a peg maker. You're looking to fasten something together, and you don't want to punch holes in it with a bunch of nails. You have a peg maker. Here, this metal plate has a bunch of holes in it. So I got the biggest hole here, and I've kind of worked my way down here. And eventually, I'm going to work my way down to one of the smaller sizes. But in order to do this, I have to get it through this hole first. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this mallet, and I'm going to hit it. And I'm going to hit it again. And I'm going to keep hitting it until it goes all the way through. This is a shave horse, or a work horse. This is basically just a giant vise, essentially. It's got a pedal down here. It's connected to this big chunk of wood up here. What happens is I put my foot on this down here, and it acts just like a vise, and it holds whatever I'm working on in place. This is what I'm going to put inside of a sheep hurdle. So all I do is I take this, it's called a draw knife, and I just draw it across here, and you will get shavings up off of the wood, eventually sanding it down smooth and shaping it into the kind of shape that you need it to be. This is my hand drill, or my crank drill. The way this works is I put my hand up here, grab the little turn knob thing here. It's connected to a drill bit that I've got kind of screwed into this area, and then I just turn it. And this will eventually work its way through the wood and make a hole. Now, obviously with this one, this is a little fancier. You can make, you can switch out the drill bits, you can change the size, you can change the type of hole you want. But this one is definitely more of a 19th century invention. Thank you so much for joining me on this Time Travel Tuesday. If you want to come out and see some of the woodworking stuff that we're doing, feel free to come out. We are open Tuesday through Saturday. And this weekend, and all through the month of October, we're doing something called Harvest on the Homestead, where we celebrate a different aspect of farm life. So thank you so much.